Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. This is Umar with you. Hope you're all doing great. And we have a very bad news in terms of market, and that is none other than Mr. Gautam Adani. Last time he came up with a Hindenburg issue, and investors lost more than maybe 60 or 70% of what they have invested in Adani. Right? You saw what happened to Adani price. Let me take you to the Adani chart so that you can understand. This is the Adani chart. From 3,350 it came all the way down to 2,850. This is about Adani Enterprises. I'm not including all the Adani stocks, Adani Power or Adani Ports or Adani Special Economic Zone. This is only Adani Enterprises, and we can see how much dent it has made when last time Hindenburg came out with a report. Now US lawmakers US lawmakers are coming out with a report that Adani groups have bribed a company called Azure Limited, Private Limited, which is part of Microsoft. So what might happen going forward? Now these things, this rubbish, everything is going to dent investor sentiment, and of course it is going to bring Adani stocks on the downside. That is what I expect. Probe focused on whether payments made to officials in India. Justice Department has been reviewing Gautam Adani's conduct. So this is what the main news is. So they are filing a case against Gautam Adani, and ADR, Adani Enterprises, the ADR is not showing any significance because there is no price movement in ADR, because this news was came after market hours, and we are already in panic. Yesterday election commission came out with election dates, and plus this one, plus we are also having mid cap and small cap issues. So SEBI came out with a report, and they dented the mid cap and small cap, and tomorrow is mid cap. You know that what is happening to mid cap. This is mid cap chart, and mid cap came from 1090 to almost 10,900 to almost around 10,300. So we are further going to go on the downside is what I expect. And GIF Nifty, for your information, as of March 16th as of March 16th at close, it was down by almost 0.75%. It was down by almost 0.75%. So for sure tomorrow we are going to gap down. This 22,000 is gone in Nifty, and maybe even Banknifty. Let me take you to the Banknifty chart. You might get an idea. This 22,000, we are sitting somewhere. Bulls were able to close about 22,000 in last trading session. Now I don't think this 22,000 is going to hold, and 46,500 is not going to hold in terms of Bank Nifty. Maybe we will gap down. How much we are going to gap down? What is going to be the scenario? What is going to be the price action? It all depends on global cues, how global cues opens, and for sure, for sure, tomorrow we are going to see a significant gap down. That is what I expect. Now, what might happen in terms of Nifty or Bank Nifty? If you are having positions in Nifty and Bank Nifty, what might happen? That is the main concern here. Now, let us see the Nifty chart. This 22,000 is gone, right? So you are not going to see 22,000 going to be held, and in fact, this Adani group has not come out with a reply. So you will have to be very, very careful. We don't know what they are going to say, what is going to be the end result, or whatever they are going to say. We will have to wait and see. But for now, we will see somewhere around 21,600. If this 22,000, I'm saying if this 22,000 is not sustaining, we are going to see somewhere around 21,500 levels, right? So we are seeing somewhere around 22,000. This is 21,500 levels. Now this is a very, very strong support. Earlier 22,000 was held. This is going to be a very strong resistance. Since we are going to gap down tomorrow, hypothetically, I'm talking hypothetically, right? We don't know whether it is going to be gap down, or it is going to be a flat market. After that, maybe we can see markets coming down. But what I expect is the probability of market gapping up or going on the higher side is very, very limited when we have a bad news like this. Now, our prime minister is not going to come for help because it is election time, and I don't want to go into these technicalities, what they are going to do, what they are going to respond. But I am sure this Adani group will come out with one or other thing, and they will try to manipulate the market, which they have done for Hindenburg issue. When what they have done for Hindenburg issue, Hindenburg came out with an excellent report. They gave a very excellent report of how Adani is manipulating, or how Adani is doing all kind of faltu things, but they managed to keep their prices, or they managed to keep their share prices at high levels. And this time also they are going to come out with something or the other. But till then, we will see market going, making two-way, three-way move, and Adani is having a significant weightage in Nifty. So you will have to you will have to you will have to make adjustment, or you will have to manage this two-way, three-way move in indices. So all over, whether it is Nifty, Bank Nifty, mid cap, small cap, mid cap Nifty expiry is tomorrow. So you will feel the volatility, you will see two-way, three-way moves in the market, and that is what is my outlook, and this is what is my perspective. So we are expecting somewhere around 21,500 in Nifty, and in terms of Bank Nifty, this is the Bank Nifty chart, and we are expecting somewhere around maybe 40, this line around 45,400 in Bank Nifty. So I'm sure this thing is going to happen. This volatility, this downturn is going to happen 90% of the time. I'm saying it may happen, it may not happen, but my outlook, my perspective is that due to this Adani issue, maybe markets, investors will try to exit the market, exit Adani stock. In turn, Nifty, Bank Nifty, I don't know about Bank Nifty, but in turn, Nifty and mid cap will come on the downside. And in terms of mid cap Nifty, this is the mid cap Nifty chart. You can see the mid cap Nifty chart. Already it has come from 10,900 to around 10,223. Maybe, hypothetically speaking, maybe this level, which is around 10,200, 10,200 might be a immediate support for mid cap Nifty. We don't have to think about on the higher side. So my expectation is we will touch maybe 10,200 on mid cap Nifty in the coming days, right? So this Adani guy is a pain in the ass. So all kind of manipulation, all kind of things he will do. He is always a conspiracy theory, right? Adani is a conspiracy theory. Gautam Adani is a conspiracy. You do if you are an investor. I'm not an investor. I don't know about his company. But if you are an investor, if you are a guy, if you are a person who is into Adani group, I can tell you, you better avoid this Adani enterprises, or you better avoid this Adani stocks, and maybe you can put your money in legit company like Tata Motors, Tata Sons, or so on and so forth, right? So don't go behind this guy Adani. You will lose your money. That's what I can say, right? So I think I told about the Gift Nifty also. Looking at the Gift Nifty, this is Gift Nifty. Gift Nifty is down by 166 points. So we might go on the downside. We might gap down. So all I want to say is be careful, trade cautiously, and make sure you hedge your position, which I have told in previous video also. If you are not hedged, also not an issue, but going forward, be careful because of this Adani issue. There might be negative news. Gift Nifty is showing a gap down, so on and so forth. So trade cautiously and trade wisely is what I want to say. So next week we have a very, very bearish outlook. We are expecting Nifty to touch around 21,500. And Bank Nifty, let me go to the Bank Nifty chart. Yeah, Bank Nifty around 45,500 in the coming days. I'll see you in, I hope I have summarized everything. I'll see you in yet another video. Till then, take care. Bye.